Newton's Laws Unit Test 2017. Listen and read along for each question. Remember that you can write on your test. You may also use a bilingual dictionary at any time. Number 1. What is net force? The picture says 40 newtons downward, 10 newtons upward. What is the net force? A. Net force of 50 newtons. B. Net force of 30 newtons. C. Net force of 10 newtons. Or D. Net force of 40 newtons. Number 2. What box needs the biggest force to accelerate it? F. 1 kilogram. G. 10 kilograms. H. 20 kilograms. Or J. 20 kilogram box. Question number 3. A person pulls a tablecloth out from under some dishes as shown in the picture below. The tablecloth, the dishes. Why do the dishes stay on the table? A. The inertia of the dishes. B. The large mass of the tablecloth. C. The location of the dishes. Or D. The force applied to the tablecloth. Number 4. Which shows Newton's third law of motion? A ball is moving forever in outer space. Keeps going and going and going. G. A ball that accelerates when kicked. H. A person in a car keeps moving forward when the car stops suddenly. J. A person in a boat moves the paddle backwards in the water and the boat moves forward. Third law of motion. Number 5. The box accelerates at 2 meters per second. How much force was used? 3 kilogram box. Acceleration of 2 meters per second squared. A. 0.6 newtons. B. 1.5 newtons. C. 5 newtons. D. 6 newtons. This table shows the force and the acceleration of an object. Use the information in the table to answer the questions below. Number 7. What is the mass of the object being tested? The table says force versus acceleration. Focus on just this force and just this acceleration. Your answer choices are A. 0.5 kilograms, B. 1 kilogram, C. 2 kilograms, or D. 8 kilograms. Number 8. Look at this picture. How could you increase or make go up the acceleration of the box? So you want more acceleration. Should you F. Use less force to push the box? Make the box lighter? H. Have more friction? Or add more mass? Make the box heavier. Number 9. Which ball will have the least acceleration? So you want smallest acceleration. A. When they kick with 50 newtons of force on a 0.5 kilogram ball. B. 50 newtons of force on a 1 kilogram ball. C. 50 newtons of force on a 5 kilogram ball. Or D. 50 newtons of force on a 10 kilogram ball. Choose your answer. Question 10. which will change its motion? F. A bike rider moving at a constant speed. Speed always 45 meters per minute. G. Two trains pulling in opposite directions with the same force. To the left, to the right, equal force. H. A chair sitting on the floor with balanced forces acting in opposite directions. Force, force. J. A ball rolling across the ground. Friction acting in the opposite direction. Which will change its motion? The bike, the train, the person, or the ball? Number 11. Why does the balloon move? Why does the balloon move? A. Action-reaction forces. B. Balanced forces. C. Friction. Or D. Inertia. The air comes out. The balloon moves this way. Number 12. A student did this experiment. First, second. Why does the coin fall down into the cup instead of staying on top of the index card? F. The coin was at rest until the car moved. Then the unbalanced force of gravity caused the coin to fall. G. Hitting the card is an action. The penny falling is the reaction. H. The penny has more mass than the cup. J. The acceleration of the coin falling into the cup was equal and opposite. Number 13. This is a Ferris wheel. It moves around and around. 13. The Ferris wheel always moves at a speed of 5 meters per second as it goes in a circle. Which of these sentences is true? A. The speed of the wheel is changing. B. The velocity and acceleration is changing. C. The speed and velocity stay the same. D. The velocity and acceleration stay the same. Number 14. Look at this picture. Equal force, different masses. 3 balls, different masses, same force. Which ball will have the most acceleration? F. Ball A. It has the biggest mass. Choice G. Ball C. It has the smallest mass. H. Ball A. It has more force. Choice J. Ball C. It went the most distance. Number 15. If someone jumps off a skateboard, the skateboard will roll backwards because A. The mass of the skateboard and the person are the same. B. The gravity pulls the same amount on a person and the skateboard. C. The skateboard wants to stay at rest. Or D. The forces are equal and opposite. Number 16. A magnet moves a 0.025 kilogram metal ball. The force is 5 newtons. The ball starts to move. What is the acceleration of the ball? Show your work here. use your formula triangle here. When you get your final answer, make sure you use your calculator and grid your answer on your answer document. Question 17. Which objects in the list show an unbalanced force? Unbalanced or unequal. A book sliding on the table at constant speed. Can rolling down a ramp. Ball sitting on a shelf. A swing moving back and forth. Car traveling at a constant speed of 15 meters per second. And a bird landing on a branch. Which object shows unbalanced force? The book, the ball, and the car. B, the ball, the car, and the bird. C, the can, the swing, and the bird. Or D, the book, the ball, the can, and the swing. Number 18. Which formula triangle is correct? F, G, H, J. Which formula triangle is correct? Number 19. This graph shows distance versus time. Distance, time. Where is the car traveling the fastest? From point A to B, B from point B to C, C from point C to D, or D point E to F. Where is the car traveling the fastest? Last question, number 20. A car has a mass of 500 kilograms, and its engine created a net force of 0.10 Newton. Which expression can be used to find the car's acceleration? So which problem shows how to figure acceleration? F, G, or H? Pick your correct answer and bubble it in on your test. Congratulations, you are done. Go back and make sure you have only bubbled one answer per line on your answer document.